What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Thursday's game plan. So before we do that, let's check and see if we got anything that'll move the markets tomorrow. And as you see, we have the initial jobless claims at 8:30, and we have the existing home sales at 8:30. So guys, we know that these are two items that can move the market, but we don't care about that. We stay patient. We wait for a clear direction, and then we get at it. So let's go ahead and hit the tickers up. But guys, before we jump into it, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. First ticker up is going to be newbies and beginners. Where y'all at? Y'all come on up. XOM is going to be on deck. They're sitting at 115.50 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see them get past this high right here at 115.80. They can do that right there. They're going to run this thing up. Boom, you got 116.40 on deck. Next level up, you got this stuff right here, 116.55. Next level after that, you got 116.80, and then boom, you got 117.25. A little bit more turbulence up to about 117.40. That should be heavy level before the bears try to smack that thing back down. So that's just a couple areas of interest for you to pay attention to the upside, to the downside. You want to see them open somewhere lower than 115.30. They can do that right there. You got some turbulence at these tops at 115.20. They get past that right there. Boom, you got 114.50 on deck. They start losing that and start applying pressure. They coming back down to 113.75. Next level down is 113.20, and then boom, you got 112.55 on deck. So guys, that's a couple different levels for you to pay attention to on the upside as well as to the downside. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol PLTR, aka Palantir. Let's get it. And this one right here, they are sitting at 86.20. If you are a bear, what you want to see them open lower than 85.35. They can do that right there. They're going to try to push this thing back down to these bottoms right here at 82.90, which will be a heavy level. But if the bears can keep smacking them, you got this area of interest right here at 81.80. That's another heavy level. Expect the bulls to pounce from that area right there. To the upside, what you want to see 86.80 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you got 86.10 on deck. Next level up, boom, you got 90.05 on deck. If they can start closing out right there and they can get some speed, check this one out. Boom, you got 93.55 run up. So don't X that out of the equation. If they get the moving, they can definitely run. So big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you. QQQ is going to be the first one. And this ticker right here, this is a YouTube request. So I got you. I seen your message. I'm here for you. You already know. Let's get it. They're sitting at 480.95. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 480.82. If they can do that right there, next level up, boom, you got 483.20. They start crashing through that right there. You got this area of interest at 484.20, and then boom, 485.40 will handle in real time if they start smacking through that. But man, pay attention. Always look left. Everybody asks, how am I so pinpoint with my call outs? Because I look left. I know this is going to be a heavy level. It don't necessarily have to get to this point here, but that's going to be a heavy level. If they come back up there, expect the bears to try to smack them back down right there. But if they break through, the bulls can go crazy. And guys, y'all witnessed it firsthand in the Discord today with SPY. I called that big pop-up right there. A lot of people ask, how am I able to predict the pop? It's because I see the double top. I see they got hit. They came down. I know they need to retest it. And I know if they retest it and they break through, they're going to boom this thing all the way up to 492.44. So there you go. And that one, to the downside, what you want to see 480.40 get taken out, or them open lower lower than that. If they can start doing that, you see why I'm calling that. Look at these tops right here. You know where you see where it matches up? If bulls give this area up right here, that's going to open the door for some lower stuff. They're going to come back down to this stuff in here at 478.50. Next level down, boom, you got 477.50, and they coming back down to these bottoms right here at 476.60. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking out anything lower, because that'll start opening up the door for all of this stuff down in here. So that can be a really good drop to the upside. So I'll keep my eye on that one. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. Here we go. SPY sitting at 567 even. If you are a bull, you want this thing to get back above 567.80. They can do that right there. You got an area of interest right in here at 568.40, and then boom, they can run this thing back to 569 and the higher stuff. To the downside, what you want to see them get back up under these tops right in here. You want to see them get back to 565.10. They can do that. You got an area of interest at 564.10, and then boom, you got 562.10. Next level down, you got 561.05. So guys, you already know I'll be all over the SPY, Tesla, all the ones that you didn't see in this video. Tap into the Discord. You already know that I'll keep those things pumping throughout the session. So, all right, guys, you already know we had fun in the Discord today. We called that SPY pop. SPY bulls can pop this thing holding at 566.35, a level of interest for them. Bears need to recover 464.05. So we have FedPal at 230. We all know that he was coming. So SPY will need to break out of that double top at 566.25 through 30 to boom this. And this is before they got to that point right there. You see Tiger walking it down. You already know that we tracking it. We ready to get on top of it, and we ready to knock it out of the ballpark. And you see Tiger throwing that hat down. You already know what happened. Congrats to all that took that break. Let me see them gains. Boom. Bulls need to recapture, level up at 106.30 to continue pushing higher. It's a heavy level, triple top. Bears can roll holding above. Man, and this ain't even the play. This is AMD. This is another one that I'm reading out that we smacked out of the ballpark too. I'm over here getting excited thinking it's SPY, but you see SPY right here. SPY can pop this, holding that level that I called out. Tiger throwing the hat down. We celebrating. And then not only am I putting the levels out, guys, I'm showing you exactly what I'm looking at on my chart. I'm showing you I got it drawn out already. Another area of interest for bulls will be getting through this 569.30-60 area. Heavy level. If bulls can break there, there will be another push. And you see, I put it out on my diagram before we even got to that point right there. I told you, we coming there. That's where we going. And you already know, Tiger throwing that hat down, Tiger pumping it, celebrating. You already know we knocked another one out of the ballpark. Expect anything different, you shouldn't. You already know we doing this every single day. It ain't one day that we ain't out here celebrating. So again, great job to all that caught that break. I'm super duper proud of all y'all. I seen the gains. Keep grinding, guys. We already at it. Everybody else, you already know, get into the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.